got all the content in your library, it's activated. Fast forward a few months, you want to make sure that everything is still relevant. You want to make sure nothing's outdated. So how we do that, the layer of AI that sits underneath the whole platform, we do that through the content audit. And so what we're doing here is we're just surfacing things in specific sections to try and help the content owners and the content creators keep everything super up to date, super relevant, making sure that everything has context behind it as well. If you see here, we have another AI publisher assistant. So all of the content that gets brought into your system gets analyzed, and our AI assistant says, hey, this asset here doesn't have a description. You may want to add a description. By the way, we've created one for you. So at the click of a button, I insert that AI generated description and I'm ready to go, right? So now this asset will move out of the needs context section and it's just become more relevant.